Good morning students. How are you all? I think all are good at home. So this is maths class. In the last class we try to understand the concept of integers, how we can add integers, how we can subtract integer, what is integer, combination of positive and negative numbers including 0. So today we will start our exercise. Firstly, our first question is, see this is our math book. Exercise 1.1 on page number 4. First question, following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. You can see there is a number line drawn on the blackboard. There are places Lahore, Spiti, Srinagar, Shimla, Ooty, Bangalore. So all temperature are there. First is observe this number line and write the temperature of places marked on it. First observe this number line. So firstly we will write temperature of Lahore, Spiti is equal to, firstly I am just writing temperature of Srinagar, temperature of, next is Shimla, then is Ooty, and then is Bangalore. Firstly, Lahore Spiti, there is 0, and Lahore Spiti is on left hand side of this. This is our left hand side, and this is our right hand side. In the number line, on the left hand side of 0, the numbers are negative, means they represent negative integer. On the right hand side of number line, it represents positive integers. So let us start. Firstly, Lahore Spiti. So this is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, and it is minus 8 degrees Celsius. The temperature is in degree, so minus 8 degrees Celsius. Now Srinagar temperature 0, minus 1, minus 2 degrees Celsius. Now come to Shimla. Shimla is on right hand side of 0. So it is on 5. This is 5 degrees Celsius. Next is Ooty. It lies between 10 and 15. 10, 11, 12, 13. It is 14 degrees Celsius. Next is Bangalore. Bangalore lies between 20 and 25. We start from here 20, 21, 22. This is first part. We have written temperature of all. Now its B part is its A part, and in the B part, what is temperature difference between the hottest and coldest places among the above? These are temperature written. The hottest and the coldest. You can say the hottest temperature is of Bangalore. So it is 22 degrees Celsius, and the temperature of Lahore Spiti is coldest. So we completed B part. B part is temperature of coldest place. Now to be the coldest, and then temperature of hottest place. So hottest place see right hand side of this. This is Bengaluru. It is 22 degrees Celsius. Now we have to ask about the difference. What is temperature difference? Difference is equal to, means we have to find out subtraction of these. So firstly we will write 20 degrees Celsius, then it is minus, and then because we have to find out the difference, we put negative sign, and negative sign is with this. Then 20 degrees Celsius minus and minus is plus, so it is 30 degrees Celsius. So what is difference? 30 degrees Celsius. Now C part is, what is temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? So firstly we will write the temperature of Lahul Spiti and then temperature of Srinagar. Temperature of, it's minus a temperature of Srinagar is equal to, what is temperature of Srinagar? It's minus 2 degrees Celsius. We have to find out the difference. For difference, if we take the number line, we can take from it that Lahul Srinagar is here and Lahul Spiti is here. How many these are between them? We start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. So there is difference of 6. We will now write it as this is 6 degrees Celsius. Now fourth D part. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Now temperature of Srinagar and Shimla is taken together, means they will be joined and then they will be compared with the temperature of Shimla. So Srinagar, what is temperature of Shimla? We will write down temperature of Srinagar is here, Shimla. What is temperature of Shimla? It's 5 degrees Celsius. And now when both taken together, it is 5 degrees Celsius plus minus 2 degrees Celsius. It becomes minus and plus becomes minus 2 degrees Celsius, and our answer is 3 degrees Celsius. This is temperature when these both are taken together, we come with 3 degrees Celsius. They say, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? What is temperature of Shimla? 5 degrees Celsius, and what is taken when together is 3 degrees Celsius. 3 is less than this. So we say yes, temperature taken together is less than temperature of Shimla. And next is Is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? Is this temperature less than the temperature of Srinagar? When there is positive number and one is negative number, so always positive is greater and negative is sign. Is temperature of Srinagar, we say that temperature of Srinagar is less than this, so we say no, temperature of Srinagar is less. Okay, temperature of Srinagar is less. So next, first is yes and second is no. So our first question is complete. Now we will do our second question. So let us start our second question. Second question statement is, in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. If Jack's score in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15, 10. Jack's score in 5 successive rounds, 25 minus 5 means in this round he wins. He has given correct answer. In this round he has given an incorrect answer, incorrect answer, correct answer, correct answer. So we have to find out what was his total at the end. At the end, what was his total? Total means we have to add these. So 25 plus minus 5 minus 10. So it is 25 plus and minus, minus plus and minus, minus 15 plus 10. We will take positive terms together and negative terms. We have both two positive terms, minus 5, minus 10 and these are negative, and then it is 25, 15, 10. Both have same sign, so 10, 15, minus 15, and this is positive 25, 15 and 10. It is 50. Now 50 minus 15. It is 35. 50 is greater. It is positive. So number is positive. So it is his score. This is all for today. Thank you, students.